Every second, a truckload of plastics is dumped into our ocean. Every year, we consume more natural resources than the earth can regenerate. But what if I told you there is a smarter way to live, produce, and consume? One that doesn't leave the planet gasping for air. Hi, I am Dr. Meenakshi Srivastava, an academic, author, and advocate for sustainable progress. Welcome to Circular Sparks. Today, we will uncover why moving from linear economy to a circular economy is not just a buzzword. It's a survival strategy for our future. Right now, most of our world runs on a linear economy. Take, make, use, throw away. It's like a one-way street that ends in dead-end landfill. But the circular economy flips this script. It's about redesigning products to last longer, reusing material and regenerating nature. Think of it like this. Instead of treating resources like disposable paper cups, we treat them like precious treasures, cycling them back into system again and again. Sounds smart, right? But why is this shift so important today? Let us break it down step by step. Step 1. Understand the problem. The linear economy is like a hungry monster. It devours raw materials, spits out product, and leaves behind mountain of waste. Here is the reality. We are extracting 1.7 Earth's worth of resources every year, meaning we are using more than the planet can regenerate. By 2050, we could have more plastic than fish in ocean. And 45% of global greenhouse gas emissions come from making products we use every day. The result? Climate change, biodiversity loss, and shrinking resources. We are literally sawing off the branch we are sitting on. Step 2. Know the solution. A circular economy is like nature itself. There is no waste, just cycles. Everything has a purpose. Even after first life, here is how it works. Designed for durability, products last longer and parts are easier to repair, reuse and refurnish. Instead of throwing away, we give products a second life, recycle a smarter material and turn into something new without losing value. Regenerate our nature. Farming and production restore, not destroy ecosystems. It is not about doing less bad. It is about doing more good. So, why does this matter right now? Because time is running out. Climate change is accelerating, resources are depleting, and businesses that cling to the old linear model are facing rising costs and social backlash. But here is the good news. Switching to circular practices can save $4.5 trillion globally by 2030 in economic opportunity, create millions of green jobs, help us meet climate targets faster. Countries like Netherlands are already on a mission to be fully circular by 2050. Companies like IKEA and Apple are redesigning products for repair and recycling. And you can be a part of this shift just by choice you make every day. Okay, so you are thinking, what can I actually do? Here are 3 quick ways to start living more circular today. First, buy less but better. Choose durable, repairable products. Second, reuse, share and rent. Give item to a second life instead of buying new. Third, support businesses that prioritize sustainability. Small steps multiplied by millions of people create massive change. Hit the like button if you learned something new today. Subscribe to Circular Spark for more bit-sized insight on building a sustainable future. Turn waste into wealth and create a planet that thrives. See you in the next video.